Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple tutorial. And in this video I will show you how easy it is to create a metallic text effect in Canva. Most recently I've played around with a tool called Text Maker, which is now part of Canva. I have discovered that this tool can create metallic text relatively simply. So if you are curious, then let me show you how easy it is to do with this tool. First, open a Canva and create a new project. In the next step, go to the App section and type Text Maker into the search bar. Choose the tool. If you have never used it before, accept the terms of use. Once done, you would be welcomed with a simple interface where you can change the text, font, alignment, even colors of the text and spacing of letters. However, the way you can create a metallic effect is that you scroll down until you see the effect section. Here, click on the See All link and now you get multiple options to choose from. First, let's go to the 3D section and select the metallic text. Once done, click on the Color tab and then change the fill colors to colors you want. You can change the colors by simply clicking on the points inside the gradient and then selecting a new color under the gradient's top color. Do it for all the points or delete the point you don't like. And if you like the colors, just click on the Add to Design button and the text will appear in your canvas. The second option to create metallic text effect is by going into the Metal section and selecting the silver font option. And again, play with the colors, choose another font, and simply adjust the text the way you like. The third option is going into the Tattoo section and then selecting the Austin option. And with this option, I highly recommend changing the font to one that allows the effect to pop more. So, as you can see, creating a metallic text effect is quite simple with the new Text Maker tool. It is so simple that even a non-graphic designer can do it. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.